हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू स्टेनो आर्मी यूट्यूब चैनल। सो गाइस, आज हम फिर से 140 WPM का इंग्लिश का डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं। इस डिक्टेशन की PDF डिस्क्रिप्शन से आप देख सकते हो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट। The population of any country is in a continuous state of change, both in terms of its size and characteristics. The periodic census enumeration obtains data on the size and composition of the population at the time census is done. However, it is vital to know the number and characteristics of the people at different dates between two censuses. The government is committed to population stabilization in India by 2045, and therefore it is imperative that we have an idea of the likely population growth in the future. National and state level projections will aid the policy makers and program implementers across the government ministries to assess the progress of programs, identify the gaps in implementation, and plan for additional requirements to meet all the felt needs of the community. Moreover, various development schemes which aims at improving quality of life require information on the number and proportion of persons across age groups, rural urban distribution, etc. in the future. A technical group was constituted by the National Commission on Population (NCP) to prepare the population projections for the period 2017-2036 with the mandate of reviewing the methodology of population projections adopted in the past and to prepare fresh projections up to the year 2036. This report contains, in addition to the final projected figures of population and its characteristics, the assumptions and the methodology adopted in projecting different demographic indicators. The projected population figures provided by the Registrar General of India forms the basis for planning and implementation of various health interventions including RMNCH+A, which are aimed at improving the overall health outcomes by ensuring quality service provision to all the health beneficiaries. These interventions focus on antenatal, intranatal, and neonatal care aimed at reducing maternal and neonatal morbidity and mortality, improving coverage and quality of healthcare interventions, and improving coverage for immunization against vaccine preventable diseases. Further, these estimates would also enable us to tackle the special healthcare needs of various population age groups, thus gearing the system for necessary preventive, promotive, curative, and rehabilitative services for the growing population. To this report, I wish to place on record my sincere thanks to the members of the technical group for their contributions to the deliberations and suggestions from time to time. Special thanks are due to Dr. Vivek Joshi, Registrar General and Census Commissioner, India, and the Chairman TGPP for his constant supervision in preparing the report. Credits are also due to the concerned officials of my ministry, other officers of Registrar General of India, IIPS, etc., for making significant contributions to this report. I am certain the data in this publication will be of immense value and use for all government ministries, departments, research institutes, demographers, policymakers, and even non-government stakeholders. With immense pleasure, I feel great pride in presenting the much needed population projection estimates at national and state levels. Population projections are more needed now than ever before to monitor the progress of a number of flagship programs launched at different points of time by the Government of India. Unlike in the past, the need for the projected population is not only being felt by the official agencies alone, but even private sectors age, sex-wise projected population for better planning of their business. Government policy makers and planners use population projections to estimate future demand for basic services including food, water, energy, and other services too. Population projections can alert policymakers to major trends that may affect economic development and help policymakers craft policies that can be adapted under various circumstances. Population projection is a scientific attempt to peep into the future population scenario conditioned by the certain assumptions using past data. Assumptions used and their holding true in future is a critical condition in this exercise. Predicting the future course of human fertility and mortality is not easy, as medical and health interventions, production of food and its equitable availability, climatic variability, socio-culture setting, politico-social conditions, and a host of other factors includes population dynamics, making it difficult to predict population with certainty. Therefore, caution must be exercised while using the projected numbers in the context of various assumptions prevailing. Apart from dynamic growth arising out of physical problems, it may also be added that despite the best efforts in census for complete and correct enumeration, slight omission or duplication of population during enumeration can't be ruled out. In estimation of fertility and mortality from sample registration system, there may be some under or overestimation in spite of best efforts to control non-sampling errors. Stop. सो गाइज ये 140 WPM पर हमारा एक इंग्लिश का डिक्टेशन था. इस डिक्टेशन की PDF डिस्क्रिप्शन से आप चेक कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा आप हमारी प्लेलिस्ट को भी चेक कर सकते हैं. हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों की 140 WPM की प्लेलिस्ट आपको मिल जाएगी. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय.